Hello and welcome. In this episode, I'm showing to you how to program Arduino Pro Mini using Arduino IDE environment. First, let's see about Arduino Pro Mini. It's a useful Arduino board that uses less power than Arduino Uno, and it's also smaller footprint and smaller weight, so you can use it in robotics applications and in quadcopter, for example, or any wearable devices, or you can use it for a project that uses small footprint. So let's see how we can program it without any problem. We start by getting the Arduino Pro Mini board and identifying it and see which volt is this version, 3.3 volt or 5 volts, and we get another circuit. It's called USB to serial converter. This circuit right here is connected to USB to the computer or the laptop, and then connected serial to Arduino Pro Mini, because Arduino Pro Mini doesn't have a USB connector like Arduino Uno. So we connected this circuit, the USB to serial converter FT232, to the computer, and then connected to Arduino Pro Mini. Here we've connected it using the breadboard, and we'll see the connection in details. Here is the connection. This is Arduino Pro Mini, and this is the USB to serial converter. And here is the connection, 3.3 volts to VCC ground to black transmit, and here is receive to transmit, DTR to GRN. Let's see the connection in detail in written form. I leave the link to this instructable in the description below the video, because some people prefer to read more than watching video, and it's in detail right here. So let's see another settings. We use it in Arduino IDE environment to program this board. First, we start by choosing the board from Arduino IDE, Tools, Board. Then we choose our board, Arduino Pro Mini, right here. Then we choose another thing. This is the processor. We choose the processor, 80 mega 328, and then you choose 5 volts or 3.3 volts. That's something you know when you buy your Arduino Pro Mini circuit board. It's the data in the data sheet, in the configuration, in the specifications of the circuit you've brought. And there's another thing, the programmer, you choose Arduino as ISP. That's the programmer you choose when you program Arduino Pro Mini. And another thing, you choose the port, of course, as you choose the port on Arduino Uno. But here, this port is made when you configure the USB to serial converter circuit. It creates a virtual serial port with a number. It can be port number 6 or 7, or as you have in your computer. So you configure the port, then you choose any example from the Arduino IDE environment, just as you make in Arduino Uno. So let's see. Of course, we start by the famous example, the blink example. We open examples, basic, blink, the flasher example. Then we make our settings. Then we make verify and then upload. And then we see Arduino Pro Mini flashing this built-in LED, like the LED connected to pin 13 on Arduino Uno. You see it flashing with the rate you have configured in the software in Arduino Sketch. That's it. Now you have made your Arduino Pro Mini working. You can upload any other software, or you can use any program to make it. I leave the link to this Instructable below the video. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your support, and goodbye.